Marhaba ya jama'a, and welcome back to another video. With Valentine's Day coming up, I thought it would be fun if we learned about words and phrases having to do with love. And don't forget that you can find the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store, which will be linked in the description box below. Alright, let's kick off the video with general love terms in Levantine Arabic. First up, we have Valentine's Day, which is Eid al-Hub. Eid refers to celebration, and al-Hub means love. Eid al-Hub. Love. Hub. Hub. Affection. Mahabba. Mahabba. Heart. Elb. Elb. By the way, this refers to both the shape and the organ. Romantic passion. Gharam. Gharam. Strong desire or affection. Hawa. Hawa. Deep love or infatuation. Ish. Ish. Relationship. Ila'a. Ila'a. This is for romantic and non-romantic relationships. Now, romantic as an adjective, the masculine form is romansi. Romansi. The feminine version is romansiye. Romansiye. Now let's talk about phrases for addressing a romantic partner. First up, we have my heart, which is ya qalbi. Now, ya is a way to call out to someone and to emphasize that you're calling out to someone, so I'm including it in these phrases for a sense of passion and emphasis. So my heart is ya qalbi. My soul. Ya روحي. Ya روحي. The soul of my heart. Ya روح قلبي. Ya روح قلبي. So here, روح means soul, and قلبي means my heart. My eyes. يا عيوني. يا عيوني. The light of my eyes. يا نور عيوني. يا نور عيوني. Nur means light, and عيوني means my eyes. My life. يا عمري. يا عمري. My life. Here's another way to say it. يا حياتي. يا حياتي. My darling, addressed to a male. حبيبي. حبيبي. My darling, addressed to a female. حبيبتي. حبيبتي. Now, let's look at ways to express love. I love you, addressed to a male. بحبك. بحبك. I love you, addressed to a female. بحبك. بحبك. I miss you, addressed to a male. اشتقت لك. Notice that it's spelled with an alif in the beginning, but in colloquial terms we drop it, so it would be اشتقت لك. I miss you, addressed to a female. اشتقت لك. اشتقت لك. I can't live without you, addressed to a male. ما بقدر أعيش بلاك. ما بقدر means I can't, عيش means live, in بلاك means without you. ما بقدر أعيش بلاك. I can't live without you, addressed to a female. ما بقدر أعيش بلاكي. ما بقدر means I can't. عيش means live. بلاكي means without you. ما بقدر أعيش بلاكي. Now let's talk about gifts. A flower or a rose. وردة. وردة. Flower as in a collective term where we're not really counting the amount. ورد. ورد. Now, a specific rose that you often hear in poetry is the damask rose, which is ورد جورية. ورد جورية. Chocolate. شوكولاتة. شوكولاتة. Here's a shortened version of the word chocolate. شوكولا. شوكولا. Card. كرت. كرت. Gift. هدية. هدية. And that's it for today. Those are all the love words and phrases in Levantine Arabic that we're going to learn. I hope this video was useful, and don't forget to get the vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store. See you in the next video. مع السلامة.